Hello everyone. So today we'll discuss about one burning topic in today's scenario, that is emotional intelligence. So what is meant by exactly emotional intelligence? Emotions are known to everybody. Intelligence is also known to everybody. And what is the amalgamation of this emotional intelligence? In today's scenario, everybody is aware with the term intelligent quotient, but very few are aware with the term emotional intelligence. And very few know it that IQ is based on EQ. So let us see what is emotional intelligence. So emotional intelligence is nothing but a behavioral science to control your emotions at workplace, when dealing with your family members, when dealing with your friends, or whenever you are facing any odd situation in your life. Now once you break your emotions, you could not take proper decision which is suitable for the particular moment which you are facing at that place. So if you think that intelligent quotient is more important, yes, you are correct. It is a cognitive matter. It is a cognitive measure. But at the same time, one should be aware with what is emotional intelligence. So let us see the scientific definition of what is meant by emotional intelligence. So the scientific definition of emotional intelligence given by Salovey, Mayer and Goldman in 1990 is as under. Emotional intelligence describes an ability to monitor your own emotions as well as the emotions of others, to distinguish between and label different emotions correctly, and to use emotional information to guide your thinking and behavior and influence that to the others. So in a nutshell, what is emotional intelligence? To see the situation, realize it, understand it, and then give your reaction. Don't react hurriedly, for which you have to repent in the coming days. So emotional intelligence is what we use when we empathize with our co-workers. We are having deep conversation about our relationship with our spouse or significant others and attempt to manage an unruly or distraught child. Emotional intelligence allows us to connect with others, understand ourselves better, and live a more authentic, happy, and a healthy life. So here just we'll see the comparison between EQ versus IQ. EQ is, just we have discussed, emotional intelligence, which is just learned as all about the identifying the emotions of ourselves and others and react accordingly. On the other hand, intelligent quotient is a cognitive intelligence. This is the intelligence that people are generally most familiar with, as it is the type that it most oftenly referred to when the word intelligence is used. It is also the type that is most oftenly measured through testing and estimated through things like grade point average. So, emotional intelligence can be broadly classified into two types. The one is social intelligence and another is a emotional intelligence. So social intelligence is more closely related to emotional intelligence than IQ, as the both have to do with navigating social or emotional situations. However, these are two distinct types of intelligences even if they share same similar features. Emotional intelligence is more related to the present situation that is used to identify and manage emotions in a moment. On the contrary, social intelligence uses some of the skills and the abilities, but it is often focused towards the features. It is about how to understand the feelings, personalities, and behaviors of yourself and others to seek the positive outcome. So, what social intelligence teaches us? How you should behave to get a positive outcome through the work which is in your hand. So, emotional intelligence is nothing but a psychology. Emotional intelligence filled a gap in the mainstream understanding of intelligence, especially for psychologists. The field always seemed to have a general understanding that IQ wasn't everything, but the theories on what exactly the other important components were varied greatly or couldn't agree on a significant concept of idea. When the idea of emotional intelligence was first introduced by psychologists, found that this theory fit into the field like a puzzle piece that had been missing. Just we have shared that Peter Salovey, who has given the theory of emotional intelligence in 1990, and since then it is a burning topic for success in career in abroad countries. Now it is also has geared up and get much importance in our country also, that everybody should be emotionally intelligent to handle the situation whichever he is facing at his workplace or in the society. Peter Salovey, along with his colleagues John Mayer, first put forth a theory of emotional intelligence in 1990. They coined the term emotional intelligence and described it as the ability to recognize, understand, utilize, and regulate emotions effectively in everyday life. So this is the smallest definition we may quote as a for the term emotional intelligence. It is their work. It is the work of Peter Salovey and John Mayer that provoked such an explosion of interest in emotional intelligence, both within academic field and in the general public too. Judging by the proliferation of books, studies, and research questions centering on emotional intelligence, Salovey and Mayer truly struck a chord with their theory of emotional intelligence. The other people who has worked on emotional intelligence are Daniel Goleman and his friends. Daniel Goleman saw emotional intelligence as a vital factor in success, especially for children. He proposed that prompting social and emotional learning in children to boost their emotional intelligence would not be only improve their learning abilities, but it would also help them succeed in school by reducing or eliminating some of the most distracting and harmful behavioral problems. His proposal has been welcomed by both the research community and the general public, and it is now almost taken for granted that emotional intelligence might be such as important, if not more important, for individual success than IQ. Schools, educators, and educator researchers has also heartily welcomed the idea that emotional intelligence is not simply a genetic, you have it or you don't have sort of a trait, but a set of skills can be used to learn and increase your emotional intelligence. Thank you. Here we end our first part of emotional intelligence.